Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete multiple messages on Snapchat. In this updated guide, we will show you the steps to easily clear your chat history on the app. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Tap on the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen to access your conversations. Open the conversation that contains the messages you want to delete. Next, tap and hold on a message until it is selected. A delete option will appear. Tap on it and then select the delete chat option to remove the message from the conversation. Repeat these steps for each message you wish to delete. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your messages on Snapchat and keep your chats organized and clutter-free. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in keeping your Snapchat conversations clean and tidy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Have a great day.